Judd here, just a quick note on cooking pork. I'm going to try it again. I was just up at Walmart and they had a big old pork tenderloin. So I grabbed that and I'm going to see how this is without bacon. And I'll get a lot of tries here because this old baby, this was $6. There we go. Okay, that's a big old pork tenderloin. It's about 2¼ pounds. So I ought to be able to get probably 8 slices out of that to cook up. And I'm going to try the first one without the bacon and see what happens. I was thinking it'd all be great, but then I stopped at Publix and they cooked stuff there, a little sample. And the thing they cooked today, interesting enough, was pork. It was blackened pork with grits and cheesy grits and a bunch of vegetables and things, and it was tasty, but I pulled the pork out all by itself and just tried that without all the additive stuff, and it was very bland. So now I'm thinking maybe that bacon is what added all the wonderful flavor to the pork. So this is going to be an interesting experiment to see if that bacon really is needed to make that pork so darn tasty as it was last week. So stay tuned for that. Happy day to you.